In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to learn a new language quickly and effectively. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're on the main chat screen, click inside the message box to start a new conversation. Now, write a detailed prompt explaining the language you want to learn. It's also a good idea to mention your current skill level, such as beginner, intermediate, or advanced. You should also include what you'd like to focus on, whether it's speaking, writing, grammar, vocabulary, listening practice, or everyday conversations. For example, you can ask Claude to build a comprehensive German language guide for beginners from scratch. Organize the content into progressive lessons featuring vocabulary, grammar explanations, dialogues, pronunciation tips, practice tasks, and short assessments to reinforce learning. The more specific your prompt is, the more personalized and useful the response will be. After submitting your prompt, Claude AI will generate a complete lesson based on your request. Here you go. Claude has generated a full 9-part course. Take your time to read through the vocabulary list, grammar explanations, and sample sentences. You can even copy the lesson into your notes so you can review it later. If you're studying every day, you can even ask Claude AI to create a daily learning plan with short lessons and review sessions. Consistent practice is one of the fastest ways to improve your language skills. The best part is that you can learn at your own pace with personalized lessons. You can copy the text from here and paste it in Word document. Here you can easily view it. You can also save it as a Word or PDF document. One of the best features of Claude AI is that you can continue the same conversation. Instead of starting a new chat, simply ask follow-up questions. You can ask Claude AI to practice with me. Now it will ask simple question related to the language like, what is your name? You have to tell in the desired language. You can also ask Claude AI to correct your writing or evaluate your grammar. Try typing a few sentences in the language you're learning and ask Claude to point out any mistakes and explain how to improve them. This makes learning much more interactive and helps you build confidence over time. And that's how you can use Claude AI as your personal language tutor. It's an easy and effective way to practice anytime without needing expensive courses or private lessons. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.